Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dakota, your admissions counselor.
And I'm his student worker, Pablo.
So we know some of you are wondering, how am I going to make friends when I get to college? More specifically, when I get to OBU, how do I make friends? How do I meet new people? So Pablo, how did you meet new people when you got to OBU?
Yeah, so there's a lot of different ways. You can meet people the first day that you come on campus through Welcome Week. So that's the first week that we set apart with no classes, and you just get to meet new people and do different events and activities, and a super fun way to do it. Then just a day of day-to-day life. So you go to class and you meet your classmates, people that have the same interests as you. You actually get to be a part of social events and social clubs that you get to join of people that have the same interest as you. So if you're interested in clubs, like playing sports, that's a way that I met a lot of my friends as well.
So what was your favorite way to meet new people? Was it sports?
That would be like on my top list. My favorite was always hall events.
Okay.
So moving in, always scared, like you're sharing like a bathroom with people, you don't know them, but always our RAs would set up crazy events. Like we would have like video game tournaments or just random events like chocolate milk pong, which is one of the best events in AG always.
Chocolate milk pong.
And you get to meet so many different people that way.
Nice. Thank you. So you get to campus, you make all these friends, form these new relationships. What do you do when you hang out?
We do a lot of different things, from just hanging out on campus and doing different things like hammocking if there's nice weather, watching a movie, playing ping pong in the GC is something that we do a lot. Just playing card games. We've had a lot of late night, like just game nights in the GC going until like 1 or 2 a.m. And then always just, you can take a trip to the city, which is super close. You can go to Oklahoma City, go to Hertz Donuts, or go any part in downtown, go watch a Thunder game or something like that. That's always an option as well.
Cool. So what is your favorite thing to do when you hang out?
Man, I love game nights. They're my favorite. They're cheap. You have 1 or 2 games, and you can go on for hours. You can watch a movie later if y'all get tired of playing games. And yeah, it's just super fun.
So like video games, board games, what's...
Board games.
Board games,
yes.
Okay.
Board games, card games.
Old soul.
That's right, yeah.
No Fortnite for you.
No.
Alright, thank you, Pablo. So guys, that's how you make friends on campus and some stuff to do when you hang out. Again, if you ever have any questions, man, how do I meet these people? How do I hang out with them? What do we do? What's to do on campus? Feel free to ask me, your admissions counselor, and I can even get Pablo in on it. He could be your #1 friend here at OBU. Just let us know. So thank you, guys.